What up, y'all? I'm Mike, and this is The Potential, and I am back with brand new Doja Cat. Doja Cat released her brand new album, and this is her latest single. It is called Woman. Love the song, love the vibe, but I've never seen it live, and y'all know how I feel about live. And one thing about Doja Cat is she is a live girl. Okay, Doja on a track, amazing, but her live is like, she is like, yeah, I'm amazing on a record, but I'm gonna turn it up when I get on that stage. Like, she must feed off of energy. So let's get right into it. This is Doja Cat, Woman Live. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell one time. Ooh. This song feel good. Ha, 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 ha.
Woman, let me be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be your woman.
She look good.
Let me be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be your woman.
Is Doja Cat a rapper or a singer? Like, I'm not trying to box her in or anything, but like, what's the first thing? I think she's a rapper first and then she's a singer, but let's never forget that she's a performer. Doja Cat is a performer. She really be performing her ass off. Yeah, yeah.
So feeling with grace, I touch your soul when you hear me say, let me be your woman, let me be your woman, 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 woman. I can be your woman, 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 woman. Let me be your
She's dancing.
woman, I can be your woman.
Come on, ad-lib. The fact that she can go from singing to rapping like that is crazy.
I can be your woman, woman, lady, I'm a woman, I'm a motherfucker, but they got a problem. Put some ready to you, like to take away the drama. Put the paper in the picture like a diorama. Got to face a lot of people in the opposite. Cause the world too big, we ain't got the common sense. Gotta prove it to myself that I'm on top of shit. And you would never know I got without a goddess. Time is fucking on this kid, and I compete on everything. I mean, I could be the leader, head of other state. I'm a smile that you get into the pocket. I'm gonna be the CEO of the
Come on, whoa, whoa, whoa.
But don't breathe it. For your key, you put a lot you never see. When the earth, mother, baby, rise and it's hard to bring from an end. Let me be your.
She's amazing. Sing. Yeah, Doja Cat is different. Doja Cat is different. Like, she is definitely magical. She is going to be in this music thing for a very, 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 very long time. It's just something about her energy is just so, it's just so clean. Like, what's her sign? I feel like she is one of those signs where it's just like, okay, this is great, but like, let me make it greater. And then once she gets to that, it's like, but let me make it greater. You know, that can be a bad thing, mentally and stuff. But as long as you like take your breaks and stuff and take your time and stuff, like, you can be a solid mental person with some great art. Like, she is good. Doja Cat is good. If you want to become a part of the posse, make sure you write down in the comments below and let me know what you want me to react to on this channel. And always remember, on the other side of fear is greatness. Stop being scared and just do it. My name is Mike, and this is The Potential.